My people now welcome again to this bright Saturday morning. We'll be inside the month of one of the months for inside the year
Saturday
of
Monday.
Saturday morning. Not talk. Where worry.
I tell you Saturday morning. He don't start to. He don't start to.
The thing when you smoke, you dey packet abi dey sachet.
The thing when I smoke, no be this girl with the put for inside studio where the floor manager. Where front set, back set, she become like V-boot. You know, it's not confused. I cover myself with the blood of I cover myself with the blood of my wife. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this Saturday. Where everywhere the jolly. Now know how the thing they be. My name is Alenu. This now I the red. That boss will get 4 driver, 4 steering, and 4 fuel tank. Yes, I will always tell you people because power has changed and we are for everybody. And we are for nobody.
I don't belong to nobody.
Yes. Yes, only my wife I belong to. Yes.
That means you belong to somebody now.
Yes, I don't belong to anybody. Yes.
Power didn't change her completely.
Because things happen there.
The Senate president is from the other side. And those men are worried now.
Well, things are changing.
I like Nigeria.
But I know how the thing be. My name is Aledu, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I've been a husband, a guy, and a boyfriend, and a nigga twice. Of course, I get the ancestors of Nigerian comedy. Some days ago, my birthday, so we go sing the happy birthday song after we don't do the introduction and finish. Yes, 3 days ago was his birthday. As Papa is getting old, Father, you will grow with grace. With wisdom, you need to grow. Your gray hair will grow with grace.
Amen.
Welcome the Orumbila, one of Nigerian comedy.
I don't like that. I don't like that thing.
Okay, sorry. The Obatala of Nigerian comedy.
Father Lord.
Yes. Forget all the black hair you see. Koran dye is working. Yes, and also the Otota one of Nigerian comedy, Lucky Shine.
Honestly spoken, my people now welcome with our show.
Yes. And last but not the least, Shakara and the gang, June 28th of 2015. MC Shakara, the 5-star comedy general.
Okay, I get one proverb today. I never hear this proverb before.
Yeah, talk out.
Person where they stay Lagos, we say never hear about June 28th before.
Okay, finish her.
Oh yeah, finish the proverb.
This one,
Wait. You must finish that proverb. Finish
I
that.
say person they stay Lagos, we say never hear of June 28th today before. Is that ear they pain you or eye they red?
That instruction be that
That your proverb. That your proverb no work.
That instruction.
That your proverb about the Exodus.
After June 28th, you go know whether the proverb work or not. When the proverb go take back people come, and I go know whether it work or not.
I look forward to this day.
You know,
say, it remains one say, very soon at 7 I will call give you.
You know, say they really talk and say, when you want to say crazy day for people body, sometimes you don't go know. Today at the drive, as I they come off, somebody drive, follow me, the guy, oh, beep. I can't even say maybe na fan wey know me. Beep. I can't hear the guy. Park. Beep. I park. Now the guy come down. Who buy fan now? I bet I your chingo with the chop. You see man.
Hello.
The nigga smell. Give her all.
So now what about this guy? If you see the way they on,
I like the
who
way-
get event for me?
He like the way your mouth they move. Like that I want you.
This
That's all.
drive meeting where you talk now, if I forget this thing, I don't go happy. One day, they no say sometimes when they drive, the shaft, person they drive, and they shaft for. What did they drive, sir? Now shaft for one man. Now the boy do he won't enter my front. I said, God, what did they drive, sir? Now the guy wind down, look me, say, my brother Namoto.
What do you want?
Nice,
What do you expect?
nice.
You ask question, I give you answer.
Nice answer, man.
Yeah, but we don't forget ourselves. This time I the red, and you know how the thing they be. If you got story, like say they totally for body, you want to show up to the world, make everybody follow you jolly. Send and give us for I the red at wazobiatv.tv or track us because I will never know whether for don't finish. Just track us on Twitter.
Still on
We'll
track
be
it,
at
still on track it.
I the red. Moko enter the segment we'll call laugh out loud. Moko na laugh out. Yes, the first video I get here today now say woman. You know say women them when this thing hold them. There's a big form.
Okay.
When they want drop things.
They don't release gas.
More look the video first. When we come back, I will talk with you. I want to talk. Let us look at the video.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, where they want to do things.
From the individual.
Now to faint the enemy. Oyibo self get patient. That man, you know say they respect themselves. You know say the woman get problem, so make she release herself. Normal Nigerian man wey be say na sit down there, you don't know. You enter, you start. Hey, madam, hey, person dey here.
You wan kill me?
But even if I call your office, come and work, I go make you keep person.
But seriously, Oyibo people, if you even though you do that kind of thing for their front, they didn't take it too serious. But now only Nigeria knows say yes, you need to provide toilet for that kind of thing.
Yeah.
But you know,
Because the way they'll take sharp for you. Guy, why they do anything? Why they do this kind of thing for you?
But you said you know the guy who do the job for them. So the things.
Imagine how you go dey sharp.
you know, say, one thing about this Oyibo them, they believe say silence speaks more.
Yeah.
Now as the woman turn see the man, she no talk, everything don't speak. But imagine say na African girl, say Nigerian girl. No, say I see do other mess finish, come to see that man, him ask question. You there here?
But mess no be crime now. Mess
No, seriously. That's why I refer to the white people.
That's why she escaped.
But
She really
Buhari
tried
need to
actually.
look into the case. They need to set up a committee to look into messy matter because some mess we cause cough.
Yes.
Especially guest mess.
I support you. I support that motion.
So, and they will come cross leg for your office. They don't drop and boom. You will go, hey, what happened?
And you also need to look into the reaction whether they give person wey mess. You know, say if you don't mess, where somebody they look, it be like say you thief.
Yes, sir. Only you
as you mess, when they don't say that you mess, the look where they will look you are like.
and you don't say for best way mess to catch another hand. Once he mess finish, now the first perceive the odor. So you go come dey wait to see whether another person go perceive. So as he mess, you go come dey.
But get one
But sometimes no be catch.
But get one question when they come my mind.
So some people
Anytime
na
you say person mess, why you say na person wey ugly for them they suspect?
That's what it happens.
Like,
That one I follow come.
For example now, four of us wey dey here now. If somebody
No, now
mess,
wait you talk you want for
who they want suspect based on face?
Okay, basically, make we move on to the next.
I want point out.
Make we move on to the next. Laugh and laugh.
I don't talk shy.
This one be say they say one Odele. No, what they call Odele now. We both call her pigeon. Pigeon. Yes. Make we say what the team do first. They will talk on the talk. Yes.
Şefler. Shit.
Hey, yeah, wisdom is profitable.
Wisdom is profitable.
It's his life too. You can see use them everywhere. They can apply wisdom in life.
I don't know why I be saying pigeon Noah send during that flood time. Go check whether water don dey dry. That bird get wisdom. That bird get wisdom.
See, no matter who you be, no matter how weak you dey, they get where they will push you reach. The strength, where strength, last minute strength they come from. You know, maybe the pigeon be done weak. You know, they chop and. You get where they don't pinch and say, man, I die at this, so I got to take off.
Now the spirit of God minister to them. My pigeon,
My
run
pigeon,
now. It's time to run.
pigeon. If you stay another 2 minutes, I'm not sure what you go happen to
Time
you.
to
Pigeon,
run.
give yourself brain. Okay, on this level now, we'll go take one quick break. When we come back, we'll continue on the matter. Will be the Tory of.
Tori don wawa.
That's all.